and hoes, and to many where I go, my soul is never gone. But me is to my song, I'm just gonna hit this bomb, yeah. Check it, I'm about to be in second. I'm a sinner or just beginner. I'm a fucking be a winner. I'm a fucking sinner till the fucking day I die. I'm in a casket or a Bentley till I fucking ride. I'm in a fucking ride high till the day I die. I'm a fucking sinner. I'm a beginner winner. Niggas can't be on the track. Now I'm fucking seeing back. I don't even know what reality is anymore. I'm busting out my soul like a combustion. Now I'm fucking rushing like this fucker. Fucking on my supper. Now I'm fucking laid on my lover. Now I'm fucking back, 10 fucking stacks. What you want with that, nigga? You can't handle that. I'm a fucking quick, steady, low, nigga. How I steady flow. I'ma keep this track like a fucking steady beat, a steady flow. Now when I go, let my set hell go. Now I'm fucking hell no, nigga. I let the devil know that I'm the king around this bitch. I'm a 10 stacks with this shit. I'm a fucking cool nigga. I ride hell till I die. Niggas know if they don't ever see me till the day I die. I'm young, cushion bowl, ready to bust it out your soul. 10 feet, 10 stacks. How the fuck do you know? This is where I dream and I live it. Motherfuckers have a dream but they ain't never paid the meal ticket. I'm about to get it. Motherfuckers ain't like me cause I'm about to get it. Sharpest nigga on the fucking scene. I was raised in Cali, nigga, what's the dream? They don't know about me. Talking haters can't see me cause I'm fucking like a bean. Now I'm fucking on the Mac track. Put his 10 stacks on the back. With a triple beam, where's that? I'm living in the hell, so fatter than a fucking big bell. I'm fucking ready to turn it like a fucking leather cell. Yeah, fuck that Lil Wayne shit. I'm on top shit. I'm a fucking G, bitch. Listen to my track steady now. I'm ready to, you about to hit the ground. With this one track, it's about to be attacked. I'ma fuck all you haters, you can't even realize that. I'm unstoppable, like a train is out of motherfucking control. So you can't beat me when I stop it. I'ma show up, see you stop it. Can you beat me in your pocket? See, I got all these motherfucking wallers. You can't even stop me cause I'm a fucking baller. Motherfucker wanna see me, you can't even crawler. Motherfucker, I'm on top of this shit like it's $1. See me, I'm a fucking cool, quick nigga, I'm a fucking last year. You ain't gotta ask it, I'ma fucking do it like a fucking slim basket. Bitch, you can't even slam dunk this smacking. I'm a super fucking lacking, bitches overtacking. Now this is where I'm acting. In the Cali where they call me Mr. O'Malley, they will begin on me. This is where I dream about me. Cause all these haters see me fly above. With these niggas, I'm a star, see the word above. I'm a Superman, this is where I live. Nigga don't dash. Superman's power is kryptonite. But we gonna get down like it's fucking flight. Ready to hit the fucking mic till it's fucking sight. Nigga can't even move porn till it's fucking might. Soaring and boring, it's something more warring. I'm a fucking cream sitter, this is where I'm fucking torn. Yeah.